Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the third video in my haul series. As part of my Christmas stroke birthday present, because my birthday a few weeks before Christmas, my mother and stuff helped me with my pre-order for Stampin' Up! And as my present, so that I would get something useful that I'm going to use rather than just stuff that will sit in the cupboard and never be used. So, as a demonstrator, I was able to pre-order for this marvellous promotion called Sale-a-bration. Now, Sale-a-bration will start for customers in January on the 4th and last for 2 months, the whole of January and February. And during Sale-a-bration, for every £45 you spend in either the mini catalogue or the main catalogue, you can choose a free item from the Sale-a-bration catalogue. And I'm going to show you my freebies that I got. Now, if you want these catalogues, just leave me a message below, or pop onto our website and click on the contact me button and send me a message, and I will get one of these catalogues to you this week. And I can't show you the inside yet, but they are filled with yummy goodness, so don't miss out on having a look at that. Right, let's start. Let's have a look at some stamp sets first. This one is Catching Butterflies, and I love this little girl with the butterflies and celebrate every beautiful thing. Just such a cute, make lovely cute cards. Be great even for focal point on an art journal, even using this to cut out as an embellishment for scrapbooking page. Just a really useful, versatile, cute spring stamp set. Okay, this one is Awesome Otters, and it is totally awesome. Look at these little fellas. Oh, these are cute. I keep saying fellas, but there could be ladies as well. I don't know why I say fellas, but there you go. Look at this one with his little fishy. You're cute. Oh, and this one popping out the water to say hello. I love them. I've enjoyed colouring these in, both with watercolours and with the Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. Good fun. This one is, I think, my favourite out of the whole catalogue, nearly. It's the Special Moments stamp set, and it has all these wonderful sayings. Look at it. Absolutely chock-a-block. You've got 21 stamps here, and every saying you could want. Thanks for brightening up my day. Happy birthday. Thinking of you. I couldn't wait for a special occasion. Best wishes. Hello sunshine. Thanks. Good luck. Really useful set, and some lovely fonts, as you can see. Okay, so let's start. I've got some paper now. This coordinates with the matching stamp set in the main catalogue. I didn't get the stamp set, but I did get the free paper, and it's called Sunshine and Rainbows. And let's have a look at it. I liked it because it was so full of joy, as you can tell. I love these clouds. Look at them. And look at that, so bright and fun. And you've got such a good variety of patterns, as you can tell. I love these dots. So, ooh, look at that stripe. That'd be so great. And we're going to be using this in Car Club in January, so you'll get your mitts on some of this paper. So, Car Club is online, so anyone can join in. You can pop onto my website and see all the details there. It happens online in my Facebook group, and so we have a lot of crafty fun together. And that paper is amazing, isn't it? Sorry if I've gone a bit quiet. I just can't believe how cool that paper is. I love it. I mean, look at those rainbows. Where are they? There. You could just cut out a strip and have that at the bottom of a card, and then just like a sentiment on top. Oh, really nice. Oh, I might have to spend a bit more money so I can get a second pack. Shh, don't tell anyone. Here's some more paper. I love paper. And there's this lovely marble paper that's called Simply Marvellous. Look at that. Oh, look at the swirls. Yay. Oh, very nice. Oh, look at that. That really looks like marble, doesn't it? Really pretty. What were those colours? Balmy blue, basic grey, blushing bride, bumblebee, coastal cabana, flirty flamingo, gorgeous grape, highland heather, misty moonlight, pool party, smoky slate, and so saffron. A whole bunch of them. So that's that paper. This is the daffodil paper, as I call it. I don't know what its official name is. Let's see, Daffodil Afternoon. And there is a stamp set you'll have seen in my first video, and dies. And this coordinates with that. So you've got this lovely, and this is very vanilla as the background instead of white. Really pretty. Look at these. Really nice. Oh, I like this yellow here. Yeah, definitely like the yellow in it. Really pretty paper. Don't know what, whoopsie daisy, I don't know what yellow it is. Let's have a look and see. It's black, basic black, crushed curry, Daffodil Delight, evening evergreen, flirty flamingo, mint macaron, mossy meadow, pale papaya, pear pizzazz, and berry vanilla. So I think that yellow is actually crushed curry, because it's a good bright yellow. Now this paper actually comes as a bundle. It's called Friendly Hello, and it comes with the matching stamp set. So let me show you the stamp set. Really fun stamp set. I love this little birdie here. And then the paper, let's see. So you've got the birds here. You've got these lovely florals. Oh, it's bright green. And then this other floral here. Oh, I really like that. That's pretty. So there you go. And those colours, just so you know, are basic black, fresh freesia, granny apple green, petal pink, pool party, and shady spruce. So that green that I said was really bright, that's granny apple green for sure. Okay, so that is the end of my haul. Aren't I the luckiest of lucky little girls to get all of those goodies? I'm very grateful and very humbled by it. So, as I said, if you want a copy of these catalogues, they are beautiful just to look through. I wish I could show you the inside, but not yet. Do let me know and I will get one out to you. You got any questions, anything you want to see again, anything else, just let me know in the comments below. So remember, there are 2 other videos in this haul series. They are linked below, so do check those out. And thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.